Hi guys and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new blog post 28. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the concept of intersection of sets. So let us start. So what is actually intersection of sets mean? It means like you need to create a final set by taking common members of two or more sets. So here you can actually assume like in order to get the intersection, you always should have like two sets at minimum level. You may have more sets as well, but minimum two are is the actually requirement. So how the intersection will happen? Let's see. Let's suppose that I have a one set which contains the set of real numbers from 1 to 15, and I have another set which contains set which also contains the set of real numbers 11 to 20. Uh, so what I'm going to do, just going to take the common elements between these two sets and will create a set which is actually which will be the resultant set or the intersection of these two sets. So the answer is A intersection B equals to 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So here you can see like there is a set A, and then there is a set B, and the intersection is denoted by the reverse U sign, or you can say like N, but it's a reverse U sign. And between the parentheses, the only the common members are there, which are also present over here in these two sets, which I am creating uh, which I am highlighting on the screen. So I hope so you have got the concept of the intersection of sets.